Okay, this is how you draw a lion. So we're gonna draw it with pencil, and then we could trace over it with a Sharpie, and then we could paint him afterwards, or her. So we're gonna start with the nose. You wanna find the center of your paper, and then go just a little bit below the center. I'm gonna do kind of a heart-shaped nose, and then I'm gonna put kind of points on the side of that to make it mimic a lion's. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill mine in. I think you have a pencil right now, so you could wait till you get a Sharpie to fill it in if you'd like. So we're gonna draw it with a pencil first, and then go back over it with a Sharpie, and then we'll be able to paint. The nose, we're gonna go to the bottom point of the nose, and we're gonna make 2 curves that come up like this to sort of make the lion's snout. So I'm gonna go down and curve back up, down and curve back up, just like that. Now I'm gonna make the lion, so that's the top of his mouth. I'm gonna make the bottom of her mouth like this. So I'm gonna start at the bottom of one of those curves I just made, make a line that goes straight down, a line that goes straight down, and then connect it at the bottom. And then I could add another little line to leave a space for the mouth. Next, we're gonna do the top of her nose. So it's kind of an hourglass shape like this. So I'm gonna make a diagonal line that sort of slants inward, line that slants inward, and then a line that slants outward like that. Eyes are next. So I'm gonna do the eyebrows first. So I'm just gonna do sort of an arc like a rainbow for the eyebrows. I'm gonna curve up and out, curve up and out. And then the bottom part of the eye is gonna connect to that so it kind of makes a football shape. And then you wanna do the pupils. The pupils are the black dots in the middle of the eye. So you could either do round circles or you could do more lines. So in this one it has lines. Here I'm gonna do black circles. And then I'm gonna do the head. So I'm gonna come up a little bit. I'm gonna do kind of a heart shape for the head. So I'm gonna start up at the top and curve back around and connect it to that top part of the mouth we drew earlier. So I'm gonna come up here, curve back down, come up here, curve back down. And then I could add some ears. I'm gonna leave a little space between the head and the ears so there's room to put hair for the lion's mane. I could do some markings or some whiskers on him if I want to. And then I'm ready to start adding the mane. However you want to do it is up to you. And then I'll bring you a Sharpie to trace over your lines. The Sharpies help so when you're painting, if you accidentally paint over your lines, it doesn't mess up your drawing. You could still see the drawing part of it. And then paint after that. And that's all.